beautiful. "76 feet. Got one. Tree fish. Yeah. That's what you were talking about. Today's your lucky day, my friend. That's my song. God, I wish I had the speaker so I could blare that song right now. Okay. I need some space because I'm going to do a circle. You can call me Eddie's Recovery Service. 93-ish. All right, I'm putting squid on my squid. Gross. Wow, more birds, more cormorants. "67 feet here. Got one. Feels little. You're too small for what I want, so you're going back. Look at that pretty fish. Release the fish. It was so kind of him to leave my bait. Just a little guy though. Yeah. You want to try to hit 120, 180? Launch number 2. We are way out here. Thought maybe you'd like some company. On the feathers. Seems like it was fighting a little bit. Oh. Look at this guy. Yeah. I got one, that's good enough.
Do you like it?
Yeah, love it.